Hi, I'm Lindsay Wawryk, physiotherapist and founder of Total Knee Prep. And today I'm pulling back the curtain on what really makes a difference after knee replacement. If you're getting ready for surgery or already in the recovery phase, this video is for you. I'm going to share some of the most important and often overlooked recovery secrets I've discovered as a physiotherapist walking people through this journey. A knee replacement can be a life-changing surgery, but let's be honest, the recovery isn't always easy, and the first few weeks can be brutal. Pain, swelling, sleepless nights, it's easy to feel stuck or like you're falling behind. But here's the truth, you're not alone. There's a better way. So many people walk into recovery with just a handout of exercises, a lot of questions, the pain gets overwhelming, motivation dips, and without the right plan, people stall out. But recovery isn't just about your knee, it's about your whole self. And it starts with three main pillars: pain management, the right kind of movement, and the mental and emotional support you need. Let's talk about each one. Let's start with the first pillar. You can't rehab a knee that you're afraid to move. That's why you need a pain plan. Not just medication, but strategies like icing, elevation, movement, and pacing your activities. Knowing when to push and when to pause makes all the difference. So before you have your knee replaced, make sure you spend a bit of time figuring out what works for you. Pillar 2 is about movement. It's not about doing more, but it's about doing the right amount at the right time. So start with early movement and regularity with it. Every hour or two, you should be up and moving to some degree, whether that's sitting on a stationary bike, gently sliding your foot back and forth on the floor, or lifting your legs up and allowing gravity to help pull your leg down the wall. Anything you can do to incorporate movement early and often will help you to regain the movement before strengthening becomes your next step. And the third pillar is the mental drain of having the surgery. The recovery isn't just physical, but also mental. Feeling discouraged is normal, but if you expect setbacks and celebrate your small wins, you'll stay on track. Even small progress, like bending a few more degrees, deserves to be recognized. And here's what I've learned as a physio. The real magic comes in consistency. When you start showing up regularly, even when it's hard. Suddenly, you're going up and down stairs again, you're sleeping better, your limp fades away, and you realize you're not just surviving, you're making real progress. So here's the recap. You need a clear pain plan. You need the right kind of movement. You need support for your mindset. But most of all, you need to be consistent. Those are the secrets that lead to a smoother, faster recovery. If you're looking for a clear supportive plan to guide you every step of the way, I created the Total Knee Prep program just for you. It's an online course that helps you build strength and confidence before and after surgery. If you feel ready to recover faster, you'll get guided exercises, videos, recovery strategies that actually work, and expert support, all from home. Click the link in the description to check it out. And I'd love to hear from you. What's been your biggest challenge with recovery? Drop a comment below, I read every one, and make sure to watch the next video where I share the best knee exercises for a safe, speedy recovery. Don't forget, we're all in this together, one step at a time.